More and more videos are being made on TikTok, and videos in general are getting shorter and shorter. So if you're a creator, you might want to reform or repurpose some of your videos in order to get onto this TikTok trend and get as many views as possible. And repurposing can help you do that. Essentially, it's taking a video like a traditional YouTube video, which is 16:9, and turning it into that 9:16 format that you need for TikTok. And that's exactly what we're going to be going through today. I'm going to teach you how to resize and crop your videos for TikTok specifically in the click of a few buttons. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is click on the first link in the description, or just type in VEED.new into your URL. Now, we want to upload our original footage to VEED, which we can do here. We can also use the templates that VEED have to make our own TikToks if we want to, because there's templates here that have the 9:16 format that we're looking for. And these range from podcast intros to vlog highlights, anything that you can think of. So have a scroll through these templates and see if one works for you. Once you've got your footage, it should appear on the timeline like this. So to crop the video, we're going to head over to settings over here and click on the size drop down menu, and we're going to select the 9:16 size. Then your video will be automatically appearing on the monitor as these 9:16 format, but it may be skewed or might not be aligned properly in the middle. So to change this, we're going to simply click on the video in the program monitor and just adjust the positioning. Sometimes the video might not fit perfectly, so you can alter this by adding graphics and elements like shapes, or even call to action buttons like telling them to subscribe or like the video. So I've messed around a little bit with the elements, and if you want to specifically have a look at the elements that I've added to, which is an audio waveform and some text, then you can click on these videos over here, which will explain the whole process of elements and how they work. But right now I think the video is ready to go, so let's get it rendered and ready for upload. Head over to the top right where you'll see the export button, where we can click on choosing our resolution to export it in. This video is just standard HD, so I'll click on that option, and then we'll just press on export video, and here we go. It's ready for us to automatically download, share to TikTok right away, or even if we want to, embed into our own website. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope you guys got some value from it. Leave a like if you did. There's two videos that are going to appear on the screen now, which will help you better improve your videos and your social media game, so feel free to click on one of those there, and I'll see you guys over there. Goodbye.